Welcome to Alphaville, a super-duper colorful town. Here live the amazing letter squad, ready to help with ABCs. And over there are the fantastic number crew, always ready to count and play. One sunny morning, a big sparkly scroll landed right in the middle of Alphaville. It had a puzzle inside. "Oh my," cried Arlo, "it's a recipe for a rainbow cake, but it's all mixed up." "Don't worry," said Oscar. "The number crew can help with the counting parts." The recipe said, "Add 1 big scoop of sunshine, 2 happy clouds, and 3 sprinkles of joy." So Oscar carefully measured 1 scoop, Tilly counted 2 clouds, and Timmy added 3 sprinkles. "Good job, number crew." "Now for the words," said Bella. "The letter squad can help spell them out." The scroll said, B-A-K-E the cake. Arlo found the B, Bella found the A, Cody found the K, and another friend found the E. Together, they spelled bake. With all the letters and numbers in place, the rainbow cake was ready. It was the most delicious cake ever. The letter squad and the number crew cheered. Learning ABCs and 123s is so much fun when you work together.